using DIY. Do it with yourself. So I'm going to dye my own hair using this item which I bought at TikTok, and that's why we're trying this one. So we're having a DIY hair color. I was attracted with her
advertisement.
I tried it. That's what the
Advertisement
said. This is the new way of hair coloring. Just press the bottle, then do like this to mix the product, then apply. The product included also these materials, the gloves, this cover, then the head cover, then even the head cup. So you don't need to buy another set of materials to use for your DIY hair coloring. Another one. And after applying the hair color, leave for 45 minutes. That's it. You can wash after applying. Then this bottle can be used 3 times according to your hair length. So since my hair is so short, I can use that one 3 times. Hopefully this one will not harm my hair, since the ingredients is
from plants.
That's it. Picture this one na. Okay guys, see you after 45 minutes.